Welcome to CalmVerse. When the mind feels scattered, pulled in many directions, your breath is always here, a quiet anchor to the present moment. This simple practice is about returning home, again and again, to the gentle rhythm of your breathing. Find a comfortable position, allowing your body to settle, and gently close your eyes. Let's begin by simply noticing the physical sensation of your breath. Perhaps you feel the cool air entering your nostrils and the warm air leaving. Or maybe you notice the gentle rise and fall of your belly or chest. There's no need to change your breath, just observe it, like a curious scientist, noticing each inhale and each exhale. It's perfectly normal for the mind to wander. That's what minds do. When you notice your attention has drifted, perhaps caught in a thought or a sound, simply acknowledge it without judgment. And then, very gently, guide your focus back to the sensation of your breath. Each return is a small victory, a moment of mindful awareness. Your breath is always available, a constant companion, anchoring you in the here and now. Take one more deep, conscious breath in and out. Carry this sense of presence with you. When you feel ready, you can slowly open your eyes.